sector POQ of a circle of radius 10 cm and center O, angle POQ is 2.2 radians. QR is an arc of a circle with center P and POR is a straight line. Show that the length of PQ is 17.8 cm. Correct to 3 significant figures. To solve this question, these are the formulas we are going to use. That is the cosine formula and the arc length formula. To find the length of PQ, so in the sector PO is 10 cm, then OQ is also 10 cm. And in the triangle POQ, we know two sides and one angle. So to find the third side of a triangle, we are going to use a cosine formula. So PQ is equal to square root of 10 square plus 10 square minus 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by cos 2.2. So on simplifying this, we get 17.82415 and we need to correct to 3 SF. So the answer will be 17.8. So PQ is 17.8. Next part of the question is find the perimeter of the shaded region. To find the perimeter of the shaded region, we need to add OQ plus the arc length QR plus RO. And in this diagram, PQ is 17.8. This is the radius of the circle with center P. Then PR is also 17.8 because this is also the radius of the circle. So by using this, we can calculate OR. So OR is equal to PR minus PO. PR is 17.8 centimeter. PO is 10 centimeter. So OR is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Next, we need to find the arc length QR. To find arc length, the formula is r theta. Here we know r is 17.8 and we need to find angle at P. In the triangle POQ, PO and OQ are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. So the angle at P and angle at Q will also be equal. And we know in a triangle, the three angles add up to 180 degree. That is nothing but pi. So pi minus 2.2 divided by 2 will be the angle at P. So angle RPQ. Pi minus 2.2 divided by 2. The arc length QR is r theta. R is 17.8 and theta is pi minus 2.2 divided by 2, which is equal to 8.38. So now let's calculate the perimeter. Perimeter is OQ. OQ is 10. Then the arc length QR, which is 8.38, plus OR, which is 7.8. So we get 26.2. We can write this also as a step. OQ plus arc length QR plus OR. So perimeter is equal to 26.2 centimeter.